Hey everyone, welcome back. So today is a little bit of an overcast day. I don't know if you can see. It is not too sunny. It is actually really nice out here. And I was walking around the property and I found a lot of natural flowers growing. And I thought, how cool would it be to make an arrangement for inside? So I have my pickle jar that I filled up with water. And it was really dewy this morning. I think it maybe rained this morning. I'm not even sure. But the ground is a little bit wet. But I want to show you some really cool things that I found the other day when I was out here. There is a lot of weeds that we just have not had a chance to take care of, but it's on our list. But there are some really pretty flowers. Now, these are not your traditional flowers that were planted. These are the flowers that were here on the property already. I did not plant any of these. And I took a walk last night and I was just trying to soak it all in, but it's so hard to soak everything in when they're spread out everywhere. So I thought, if I make myself a little arrangement, I can put it on the table and I'll be able to enjoy it longer. So right over here, this is a crazy jungle, but right over here, okay, is like our broken down barn, which we are going to try and revamp and fix for some chickens that we plan on getting. But there's also this area that's like a concrete base. So we're going to clean that out, possibly put a roof on it. And then we want to fence out this area here, which I know it's overrun with weeds and all kinds of things. But I think it'll be really nice for the chickens because it has all of these trees like surrounding the area. And it'll give them really good shade in like the heat, blistering heat that is coming very soon. So I'm just gonna try and venture in to the weedy mess and see what I can find. Okay? Okay. Okay. I just realized my camera was super zoomed in, so you couldn't really see anything. But I found a couple of really cool things, and we're just gonna keep walking around and see what else we can find. Ideally, you would like to pick the flowers first thing in the morning before the heat of the day gets to them. But because they were overnight and it was raining and there was a lot of moisture and it's kind of cool today, I thought, why not go ahead and keep picking. Ooh, I think I got stung by a stinging nettle. But anyways, all for the beauty of the flowers. Okay, so over here, there was really pretty poppies. So last year when we bought the property, you couldn't really tell what was around, what was planted, what was a weed, what was grass. So the fact that everything kind of came back this year with such force, it is a beautiful force. And let me just take you over here to show you. Now, a lot of these have opened already, so I'm hoping that I will be able to get some that are just slightly opening. Let me turn you around and show you. And the colors are just fabulous, like so beautiful. So these So this is, let me just explain something. This is a seed head when it's drooping down that it has not opened yet. And then these are the stems of the poppy that's already bloomed and gone to seed. So we're trying to find something not quite opened yet. Like this would be a perfect one because it's already, its neck standing up straight. It's got some color, so it looks like it will bloom. So let's see if we can find some of these. So we're gonna walk down on the other side to see what else we can find. But the poppies looked like most of them were already open, and only a few that I found were closed enough to maybe open inside. But let's just take a walk and see what we can find. They are so pretty, and everything just seems to be thriving. Well, this is interesting. So this is the middle stage, right before they fully open. So if you could see this one, it's just starting to open. And this one looks like it got a little too much water. But I'm gonna cut this one and we'll see if it'll open inside. This is a fun one. It's just opening. It still even has the outer shell on it. That's super cool. Can I get close enough to see that? There's a bumblebee in there. So look at these. So I know it's not a good angle, but they're just starting to open and they have such nice color. I'm so excited. I really could make a bouquet of just poppies, but the thing is when they're open this much, they are just going to fall in the vase, and I would much prefer to enjoy their beauty outside. So I will only pick the ones that are slightly closed or starting to color up. Oh, this one's got some aphids on it, so we'll see. I might have to rinse this off inside. Okay, so it's going to be a little bit of a mission to get up in there, but I think I can do it. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, trek through here and make it there. Oh, there's one that's just opening too. Oh, how beautiful. How am I going to get in there without getting stung by the nettle? Okay, I could do it. Oh, you're so beautiful. And that one is just opening. Okay, I'm going to do this. Okay, so I ventured my way into there and I got a couple. I just want to see if there's anything else I could add to make this a little bit more wispy. I mean, there's some up there, but I'm definitely not going up there. Let's see. What is this? Is this mint? No, it's not. That would have been cool. Oh, you know what? I have a fennel bush here in the front. I'm going to cut some fennel, or anise, as they call it here in Portugal, to add to the bouquets. Oh, this is interesting. This flower is very interesting. I think I would like to add you, at least one spike. Yeah? Let's get in and see if I can take a long one. Excellent. That is an interesting mushroom. Okay, so here's my fennel bush, and I will take a cutting from you.